What the hell's going on, guys? So today I want to walk you guys through another video about my YouTube money that I've made. So obviously I'm not balling. As you can see in the account, I only have $768, but it is pretty cool. So I really started making videos back in late 2016 time frame. I think it was like November, December time frame. I've had my account since around 2010, 2011 time frame, but I really only started making videos for a while. And I was doing cigar videos and a bunch of other stuff, and I really like investing, so that's when I got really hooked on that. But anyway, if you guys have followed any part of this series, you know that I've been investing all the money that I've gotten from Google for making videos on YouTube. And so far, I think I've gotten paid 4 or 5 times. And every single time it enters my account, I'll invest that into my checking account. I'll invest that into my individual brokerage account, which I coincidentally called it YouTube Moolah. So you can view really what's happened since I started back in late or middle of 2017 time frame. Is actually when I first got my first paycheck. It was $114. It was a woohoo moment for me. I was starting to make money on YouTube. And then every other month or so, I would get a paycheck around $100. So I was making around $60 to $70 a month for quite some time. And then obviously in the beginning of this year, in the April time frame, they changed the rules. So now I no longer get paid. But it is what it is. But it's really cool. Just wanted to show you guys this particular part of the portfolio, what I actually have. So I have a healthcare ETF that I have invested in. That's something I need to continue to invest in because I have very little healthcare in my portfolio. I'll show you guys my portfolio breakdown in a second. I have a small cap because small cap, generally speaking, returns about 1 or 2 percentage points more than the S&P 500 in general. So you can look that up. ITOT, it's the total stock market fund that does a little bit better than S&P 500 just based off the fact that it's the total market rather than strictly the 500 largest companies. It includes some mid cap and small cap as well. So it also gets a little bit higher than the S&P 500, but it is more volatile. And same thing with the small cap S&P 500. So you can see over the past year or so, I've really only gained about 8%, and then I still have a decent amount of this in cash. I'm still trying to decide what exactly I want to do with this account because it is so small at the moment. So I currently just have it in ETFs at the moment, just kind of holding cash. But one thing I did notice this past month is that I got 36 cents in actual yield from just this money market account, which I was like, holy crap, that's a decent amount. And I found out that this money market account is yielding 1.4%. I don't think since I've been investing, I don't think I've seen 1.4% in like a money market or savings account. And I was actually checking my personal savings, American Express. That has gone up from when I first started investing in it from 0.95% as a savings account to 1.6%, which is not great in historical standpoint, but for the most recent past 5 years, when I've been really looking at it, it's a pretty big chunk of change. So as you can see, looking at the sector allocation, here's all my different accounts that I have. There's a lot. There's an IRA. There's a 401k. There's individual brokerage accounts. There's computer shares, whatever. This little sliver right here between the blue and the green, where it says 0%, that's the YouTube Moolah account. So that currently only holds $764, and of course I have close to, I have actually over $200,000 in my total portfolio at the moment. So unfortunately, that is a little bit less than half. It's about I don't know, 0.3% or something like that of my total portfolio. So very small amount, but interesting enough, and it's very cool to kind of keep track of. In terms of total payout, with this 1.4% and $300 some in cash, as well as the other ETFs that I have, $10 a year, which is pretty cool considering it's all thanks to you guys that I'm making an extra $10 a year. But hopefully in the near future, I continue to grow my subscriber count and be able to start getting these paychecks again, to be able to provide this portfolio with a little bit more oomph. But overall, it's pretty cool. it all feeds into the same portfolio, and I thought it would just be a really cool experiment to keep you guys posted. So if you guys haven't seen me, I guess, start the portfolio, I'll put the link in the upper right hand corner. Is it upper right? Let me think about this. It is the upper right hand corner. Sorry, I had to put the L's out. You know, when you put your two hands out, you do like the left, the right. Anyway, you guys know I'm not that smart. But anyway, um, all thanks to you guys, I'm able to start this kind of cool portfolio that we can all follow and start together. I've been slacking considering I think the last time I made an update was like October or August or something like that of last year. So it's been about 8, 9 months since I've done an update. But to be honest, I haven't really done too much, just based off the fact that I haven't been getting a lot of money from YouTube lately. Um, I hope in the coming months, I'm starting to getting around to the 1,000 subscriber count mark. I'm currently like 827 or something like that. So in about 3 or 4 months, I anticipate to be around the 1,000 subscriber count. So once I get to that point, I will start making money on YouTube again, and so it'll be a lot more active, and these sort of updates will be more frequent with that. So once again, love you guys. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys as soon as I can think of another video to do. If you have a video idea, put it down in the subscription, or not subscription, the comment section. I'm sorry. I was thinking about doing a video on how to buy your first stock, but with that, you guys will see like all my account numbers and stuff like that. So I'm not 100% sure I want to keep that open for you guys, but I'll think about it. Anyway, if you guys have any ideas for videos, comment sections down below. Like, subscribe. See y'all later. Love you. Have a good Sunday. I'll talk to you soon.